This is unrelated, but come look at how flooded my backyard is. The plan's to get this car done here, but I got no room. So today I think I'm just gonna go around, open the garage door. I think it's above freezing, so that's good. I think I'll put this bike over here, and then maybe move the car over a little bit. And I can walk on that side, and this side over here, like I can't even get to my tools. So if I can't get to my tools, then I can't work on a car. Weather right now is just about motorcycle season, so I'm thinking if I move my bike and kind of block it in over here, and I can't use it until the car's done, then it might work. Oh. There we go. All right. Okay, that's pretty good. That should work. So close. I did it! Why? Just got some wood. I'm gonna make a couple little sawhorses so I can put those Mustang fenders and all the little pieces I took off to paint. I can put them on those and paint them. Took my old blue truck here, and I'm hoping I can make it home without breaking down. Oh, people sweeping. I almost hit them. Kind of right in the middle of the road. I was gonna paint all these parts on the car, but since I'm changing the color and I wasn't happy with it to begin with, I figured I might as well put the effort in and try to do it right. I think I did it this way last time too. I don't know. I'd have to look back how I held the parts up, but we'll see. I don't see any cars coming. The truck seems to be working pretty good. It's kind of the first time I've driven it this year. these are too tall. Maybe a little. That'll do it. Down to 2 feet. And 2 feet. Two feet. 2 feet. Wow, it looks half decent. These are actually pretty nice. I don't even think I'll throw them in the garbage when I'm done. I think I'm done. So I got those done. Now I'll show you what my plan is with them. The idea is to do that. Should do it. Even like that it'll work. Then I can get all down here. Yeah. I got the doors still too, but I think I'll probably paint everything in small batches. Like one day paint these. Next day paint the doors on these. That way I don't have, you know, 15 different things outside with bugs flying into them and everything else. They don't have a paint booth. Yes. Hey, I want to ride a dirt bike now. Alright, I'm bored of sanding, so I think I'm going to pull the motor now. Couple of reasons. One, it'll be a lot lighter to move the car in and out, painting, sanding, all that. Two, the transmission on it right now is automatic. I'm putting the manual. And three, I'm kind of second guessing a little bit of the motor work that I did. So I may or may not take the motor apart and go through it again. We'll see. But for now, I guess I'll get that engine hoist in here and struggle through that for the rest of the day. I guess. These things are nice and light. This is unrelated, but come look at how flooded my backyard is. I got nowhere to put my camera. There's too much water. That's gonna be it for this video. I was planning on doing a little bit more, but big thing is, got the motor out, the car's basically sanded. I wouldn't say ready for paint, but once the paint shows up, when we get some nice warm weather, I can paint. Now I think I'm gonna go deal with some of that water in the yard, which I wasn't planning on doing today. There's a big field in the backyard, and it apparently drains into this yard on the side, so just trying to make a little bit of a wider path for it. And hopefully it doesn't all go into our basement. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later.